The Toyota CHR is a family SUV that rivals crossovers such as the Nissan Qashqai, Renault Kadjar, and Toyota RAV4. It's a sharply styled car that's designed to really stand out from the competition, if that's your thing. Sit in the driver's seat and the wraparound dashboard makes you feel in command of everything around you, while the repeating diamond theme in the design adds an air of sophistication that'd feel at home on a Lexus. The materials used are also of higher quality than you'd expect in a Toyota. Soft touch plastics and gloss black inserts add class almost everywhere you look. All models come with a touchscreen infotainment system with the 7-inch screen called Touch 2. It's mounted high up on the dashboard so it's easy to see and use, but the basic CHR does without sat-nav. There's also no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto support, so despite having a touchscreen infotainment system there's hardly anything to do with it if you go for the cheapest CHR. That said, it still has DAB digital radio and you can connect your phone as music storage. While other parts of the world will have two engines choices to choose from, a 1.2-liter turbocharged unit and a hybrid model with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder motor, the vehicle will be sold, at least in the beginning, with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder in the US. The engine is matched to an all-new CVT and sends 144 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque to the front wheels. On paper, the CHR lines up with the Honda HR-V and Mazda CX-3. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive videos.